Tuesday, February 10th, 2026. Saint Scholastica. Focus. This people honors me with their lips, but their heart is far from me. In vain do they worship me, teaching as doctrines the commandments of men. Some cite the focus to claim that Catholics would be the ones to be reprimanded by Jesus today. However, the Apostolic Constitution, Fidei Depositum, 1992 begins, guarding the deposit of faith is the mission which the Lord has entrusted to His Church and which she fulfills in every age. The Catholic Church strives to be true to this mission, teaching precepts faithful to the law of Christ in spirit and in truth. God has willed that after Him we should honor our parents, to whom we owe life and who have handed on to us the knowledge of God. However, the obsession of the scribes and the Pharisees with the tradition of the elders had caused them to lose sight of the law of Moses. Jesus was saddened by their hard-heartedness in demanding obedience to man-made interpretations that were contradictory to God's laws. The Lord wants our hearts to be close to His, so that we learn mercy, justice, and peace from Him. Then, like King Solomon, we will experience and declare God's faithfulness and steadfast love for those who walk before Him with all their heart. Fruit. Do I interpret the law of Christ according to my convenience? Or does the spirit of the law challenge me to do what is right and just?